Tell me
Nope.
that.
Who hit Maprano? Did I hit him or did you hit him? Down syndrome, fuck.
Yeah, you're a fuck kid.
I fucking hit HeeZy because that bitch fucking tried to hit me and I was lagging, so I just fucking fried him. I'm still hitting him.
Your phone? Off your phone?
Yeah, off my phone. Yeah, off my phone. Motherfucker was trying to hit me and shit. His
Yeah,
shooter
because
sucks,
you talk
dude.
shit and you
He
kicked
bought
me
it.
from the party.
Huh.
Where my damn game now? What? No. No, I didn't. Yeah, you fuck. I don't. Yeah, you're a dumb kid.
GB, you're on all day. What are you talking about? You get home, you play Xbox. You go to work, you play Xbox.
Hey, Adam, give me the IP, I'll hit him.
Alright, you want this IP? You ready? 75?
Matt already beat Matt Prawn 1v1, so I mean.
You seen that?
Yo, you ready for this IP? 75, 66, 2.245.
You're gonna sit to the admins now, playing.
I don't give a fuck. It's not even his IP, you stupid fuck, my friend.
I'm about to submit it to you right now. Hold up.
Dude, I'm already banned for like 3 years. What the fuck? I'm already banned for like 3 years. Like, suck a dick. The fuck? You think 10 more years is gonna make a difference? I'm gonna be like fucking 26 in 10 years, dog. I'm already gonna be banned. I'm still gonna be banned. I don't fucking care. You stole that.
Who has like cats on the fucking phone? Man, hold on.
I have a fucking booter and I fry niggas on a daily. Come at me.
Oh, snap.
Damn, I hit fucking 75, 66. Got 245 right now. That's HeeZy BAs. I'm frying his fucking router, dog. Let me check if my booter's.
Yo, Matt, hold on. Me and Matt will 1v1 it real quick. Let me put S in.
Yeah, boot.
We fry niggas on a daily, dog. We already told you.
Yeah, what's the IP?
I fucking boo 24/7, dog. I fucking fry niggas like these. Dude, they're just gonna check his matches and nobody times out.
Matt Prawn boots?
You couldn't even get him banned if you wanted to.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting a cap of this right now on boots. I just heard me